Welcome back to Grow Your Wealth. $14 billion stolen from crypto every single year. But here's what most people don't know: one method makes you almost impossible to hack. In the next 11 minutes, I'm showing you everything you need to know about hardware wallets. Why they work. How to set one up. And why Ledger is the best choice for beginners. Let's go. So what is a hardware wallet? Think of it like a USB drive, but instead of storing documents, it stores your crypto. The key difference: it stores your crypto completely offline. Away from hackers. Away from the internet. It's the safest way to hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies. Why does offline storage matter? Because 99% of all crypto hacks happen online. Hackers break into apps. They compromise websites. They steal from exchange databases. But a hardware wallet? It's not connected to the internet. So hackers can't touch it. It's physically impossible for them to steal your coins. There are three main hardware wallets on the market: Ledger, Trezor, and Coldcard. All three are excellent. But Ledger is the easiest for beginners. It supports over 5,000 cryptocurrencies. The setup process is simple. And it's the most popular choice globally. If you're new to crypto, Ledger is your best bet. How much does a Ledger cost? The Ledger Nano S Plus is $79. The Ledger Nano X is $149. The difference? The Nano X connects wirelessly to your phone. The Nano S Plus connects by USB cable. Both are excellent. Think about it this way: the average crypto theft is between $2,000 and $50,000. $79 is the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Now let's talk about the seed phrase. When you set up your Ledger, the device generates a 24-word master password. This phrase is generated inside the device. It never leaves it. And here's the critical part: this phrase can restore your entire wallet on any hardware wallet. So if your Ledger breaks, you're not stuck. You can buy a Trezor, enter your seed phrase, and access all your coins instantly. Here's how Ledger actually protects you. You send your crypto to a public address. That address is unlockable only by your Ledger device. Hackers can see your coins on the blockchain. They can see the address. But they can't access it without the device. It's like a safe deposit box at a bank. Everyone can see your valuables are there. But only you can open the box. Setup Step 1: order directly from ledger.com, not from third-party sellers. Not from Amazon. Not from eBay. Always buy directly from Ledger's official website. This ensures the device hasn't been tampered with. This is critical for security. Setup Step 2: unbox your Ledger and connect it to your computer or phone. Then download the Ledger Live app. This is the app that manages your crypto on the device. It's simple. It's intuitive. And the setup wizard will guide you through every single step. Setup Step 3: create a PIN code. 4 to 8 digits that only you know. You'll enter this PIN every time you access your wallet. Choose something you'll remember but others can't guess. This protects your device from unauthorized access. Setup Step 4: write down your seed phrase. By hand. On the recovery sheet included in the box. Do not screenshot it. Do not type it into your computer. Do not store it in the cloud. Write it by hand and store it safely, in a safe deposit box, a home safe, or somewhere secure that only you know about. Setup Step 5: confirm your seed phrase. The device will ask you to pick words in the correct order. This verifies that you wrote everything down correctly. It's your backup confirmation. Don't skip this step. Setup Step 6: you're fully set up. Ledger Live will now show your public addresses for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and thousands of other coins. You can share these addresses with anyone. But never share your seed phrase or your PIN. Your addresses are public. Your seed phrase and PIN are secrets. If you're in the USA, buying a ledger is simple. Order from ledger.com, it ships directly to your home. Delivery takes 3 to 5 business days. That's it. You'll have your hardware wallet in less than a week. If you're in the UK, Canada, or Australia, the process is the same. Order from ledger.com, shipping takes 5 to 7 business days. There's a shipping fee of $15 to $25. But it's worth every penny for the security you're getting. If you're in India, there's one difference. Ledger doesn't ship directly to India due to customs regulations. Instead, buy from an authorized partner like CoinDCX. The cost is between 8,000 and 12,000 rupees, which is roughly $95 to $145 including import duties. CoinDCX is a trusted platform. You're getting the real product. Critical security rule: never trust anyone who asks you to connect your ledger to their computer. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Not with ledger support. Not with your bank. Not with your friend. Real ledger support will never ask for your seed phrase. If someone asks for it, they're trying to steal your crypto. What if your ledger breaks or gets lost? Your crypto is still completely safe. Your seed phrase is the backup. Buy another ledger. Or buy a Trezor. Enter your seed phrase on the new device. And boom, you have access to all your coins instantly. Your seed phrase is portable. It works on any hardware wallet. Who actually needs a hardware wallet? If you're holding less than $500 in crypto, a hardware wallet might be overkill. A regular mobile app might work fine. But if you're holding more than $1,000, a hardware wallet is non-negotiable. You cannot afford not to have one. Keep your ledger updated. Every few months, Ledger releases security updates. When Ledger Live prompts you, update immediately. These patches fix security vulnerabilities. They keep your device protected against the latest threats. Don't ignore them. Let's recap what we covered. Hardware wallets protect your crypto by keeping it completely offline. Ledger is the easiest and most popular option for beginners. Setup takes about 15 minutes. The cost is less than $150. And it could save you thousands in theft prevention. That's the complete guide. Here's the real question: can you afford a $79 hardware wallet? Or can you afford not to have one when $14 billion gets stolen every year? The choice is yours. But if you're serious about protecting your crypto, a hardware wallet isn't optional. It's essential. Get one today.